Hey you guys, it's Naturally Lindsay, and today I'm going to be showing you how I did a stretch twist out on dry hair. So starting with the Eden's Body Works blow drying cream. I don't know why that was so hard to say. I basically smooth this on my hair and detangle my hair, and then I blow dry it. This stuff is amazing. If you're worried about heat damage, if you're worried about, making sure your hair is moisturized when it's blow dried, use this right here. I'm just way too shy. I gotta make you see this is more than just a silly crush. And I wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me. Okay, I know what you're thinking. My hair looks a mess right now, but trust me, I didn't want to put a lot of heat on my hair just for this hairstyle, so a light blow dry will do. It will work, trust me. So now I'm taking a combination. Well, I'm starting off with the Eden's Body Works Coconut Shea Leave-In Conditioner. And then after I put that on my hair, then I go in with the curl defining cream. The leave-in conditioner is a little liquidy, so I would skip this the next time I do a stretch look. But the curl defining cream is perfect for this hairstyle. You gotta feel me. After I got that last twist in, you guys, I went to sleep, and here's just me the next morning. Basically, I just took some coconut oil, put it on my hands, and I just started to unravel these. Don't know if Okay, so after I fluff up my hair to my desired volume, basically I'm just putting a part on the side of my head and I'm going to twist it up and add some beads to it just for, a little jazz. Okay, you guys, that's pretty much it. I really appreciate my little followers, I'm going to try my hardest to post more frequently, but, thank you for watching.
You let this good love go to waste. I always keep the top tip, 5-star, sexy loving in the car, like make that wood, holly like a boulevard.